Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is accounting for purchase returns and allowance. But guys, if you are looking about a video about accounting for purchase, we have, and the link is in our video description. And by the way, guys, subscribe to our channel, share it to your friends, classmates. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. So let's go. A general journal with two amount columns in which all kind of entries can be recorded is called a general journal. Two amount columns, debits and credits. Not every transactions can be recorded in a special journal. So we have special journals for purchase, for sales, and so on, but not every transaction can be recorded in these journals. So let's consider this memorandum for buying supplies on account. A memorandum here, the number, the date, and then the attached invoice. We need an invoice. However, we can return some goods. All of them or part of them. And then we have the credit allowed for the purchase price of returned merchandise, resulting in a decrease in the customer's account payable to the vendor is called a purchase return. Just like when we are purchasing anything online, we purchase on credit card. We return it, we don't need to pay the credit card anymore. So that is exactly what we are talking here. Credit allowed for part of the purchase price of merchandise that is not returned, resulting in a decrease in the customer's account payable to the vendor is called a purchase allowance. So, okay, I want to return it, and then the vendor tell me, oh, I can give you a discount if you don't return it. So it is a purchase allowance. Okay. And a form prepared by the customer showing the price deduction taken by the customer for a return or an allowance is called a debit memorandum, just like this one. So here, the name of the company, the dates, the number of our debit memorandum to the company that we are returning it, and here what we are returning. How do we record it? Let's go to our Excel file. And guys, remember all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So here, bought Star Supplies on account from Eastie Supply, Memorandum 42. So here is our journal entry. Let's do it together. So December 2nd, accounts title, supplies, office, or only supplies. Memorandum 42, 567.85. Credit is the same. So here, our special journal for our vendor, for the one that we are purchasing. Let's consider there is no beginning balance. And what we have here, the same day, December 2nd. What we are doing? A purchase. We are, supply on account. So sorry here. Accounts payable. So our purchase, these supplies is on debit. So here, and here, guys, is supplies, it is our vendor, so it is our accounts payable. So our accounts payable, a credit, 567, and the special journals for supplies. So supply for our stores, Star Supplies, so here's supplies for our stores. And then the purchase here, 567. 7. Okay, and then here the accounts payable, where we combine all of our vendors here, purchase 567. However, we return merchandise. Not all of them, we return 68. So here, our date, December 8th. So what is our debit? December 8th. What is our debit here? It is accounts payable. Why accounts payable? Because we don't need to pay it anymore. Debit Memorandum 38, and the credit is purchase return. What is this purchase return? It is a contra purchase account. What is a contra account? Account that is reducing the normal account. So purchase returns reduces the return, 68. And then if supplies, returns and allowance, here is returns. On debit 68, we are debiting our accounts payable, so we own them now only $4.99. Supplies, here guys, some textbooks, they don't use it for the returns, for the purchase returns. Some textbooks, they use it. Personally, Professor George, I like to use it. So here, 12/8, returns, and then a credit. Return here is a credit, 68. And now our net purchase is $4.99, or our net supplies is $4.99. Okay, however, some textbooks, they don't like it because this balance will not match with the purchase balance. Okay, but I personally like it. So this one, that is our red one. Not all the textbooks consider this journal entry here. Okay, let's bold it. Come on, yeah. And then the returns and allowance, here only returns. On accounts payable, on a debit as well. So our ending balance will be $4.99. Here we are working with only one supplier, so $4.99 here as well. Okay guys, watch this video anytime you want if you have any questions. And by the way, if you still have any questions after watching this video a lot of times, just ask here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.